Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, leave me a comment down below. I always love to hear what my new viewers are thinking about what they're seeing. If you're returning, thanks to every one of you. I am very, very thankful for each and every one of you. So yes, I had a great little chat with my brother this morning. We will be getting to see each other this weekend, and it'll be the first time that we get to see our extended family on my mom's side. It's been a very long time. It's been over a year, and we see each other all the time pre-COVID. Every holiday, every birthday, we always got together. And it's been since Christmas 2019 since I have seen my family, and my grandma has passed away since then, so I unfortunately did not get to see her. But this weekend is her funeral. But that's okay. It's a celebration of life. She was 93 and was an amazing woman, and we're all gonna get together. So I'm excited to see everyone this weekend. So my mental health word for the day is family. Kind of like my last word, support. You know, having a great support system is always awesome. And I know lots of families have different dynamics. Working as a nurse, I get to see that for sure. But yeah, so hopefully, you know, you've got great family support like I do, and let's get painting. So today's colors, I'm doing a Dutch pour, and I'm going to do a V split. My two split colors are going to be Amsterdam's Payne's Gray. It's a very dark Payne's Gray. I tend to like the Pebio's Payne's Gray. It's a little on the blue, more on the blue side, but Amsterdam and Dutch pours just go great together. And of course, titanium white. So I'm going to have the titanium white in the middle and the Payne's Gray on the outside. And I'm going off of a color palette that I got similarly from Molly. I am doing, this is DecoArt's Dazzling Metallics Ice Blue. And this is Amsterdam's Titanium White. Actually, it's King's Blue with a little bit of titanium white, just a little bit. I just wanted it slightly lighter than what the King's Blue is. And I am doing DecoArt's Dazzling Metallics Champagne Gold. I love their Dazzling Metallics line. I almost like it better than the Bright Metallics. And this is a custom lime. So thank you, Molly, for suggesting mixing my own lime color. So this is Holbein's Luminous Yellow and a little bit of the Amsterdam King Blue, and it turned out perfect. Yeah, I think I did 20 grams of the yellow and 5 grams of the blue. Just if anyone is interested in that ratio. I do tend to weigh my paints instead of just eyeballing them. My eyeballs, I measure them for paint to Floetrol, and then I use water just to thin, and I eyeball that. So, all right, so let's get going.
house by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Okay, so this is a 20 by 20 canvas, so I can't get the whole thing in. To start, I would have to start up on my footstool, and it always makes me a little nervous. This piece turned out amazing. I am so happy. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm just wishing and hoping that it dries well, because there is quite a little bit of paint in the middle. I might pull out, I have some pipettes, I might pull out one of those and try and suck up some paint in the middle. Otherwise, this is just, it's amazing. I got my consistencies just perfect. The cells and the lacing are just like out of this world. I'm really learning about how to combine different, like the metallics with the Amsterdam paints and how they combine. Like there's so many multicolored cells, even just this spot out here that's mostly champagne and white with a little bit of green and blue, but like even that spot is gorgeous. And did you all see me dancing at the beginning there as I was laying down my base paint? I was born in, well, let's not say when I was born, but I was a young teenager, I think grade 6, when New Kids on the Block was the big boy band. and my radio station for some reason decided to play. I don't even know the name of the song. Oh, oh, oh. You know, that one. So I was dancing because I remembered all the old dances. Puts me in such a great mood. Anyway, take care, everybody. Let me know what you think of this piece. I will show you the dried results. So here's the final piece, all dry. Look at that champagne gold, how it shimmers. It's so pretty. So happy with this piece. The sparkle is really awesome. Let me know what you think about this piece. I love the different layout of the V shape. Something, you know, that I've never done before. Love that. Placing is so cool. They actually look like cracks through the phone, but they're not. It dried completely flat, which is awesome. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I sure would love if you would. Leave me a comment down below. Share my video to your Facebook page. Take care, everybody. Have a great day and a great week. We'll see you in the next video.